Let's walk through registering a new patient and generating a USG invoice and report. First, open the Smart Clinic India login page. Click on Patient Care in the main dashboard to get started. Select Book Appointments to begin scheduling for a new patient. Click on New Patient to initiate a fresh patient registration. Enter the patient's name in the designated field. Type the patient's 10-digit phone number into the phone field. Enter the patient's age as required. Select the patient gender. Optionally, enter the house number, street, and area or locality. Fill in the patient's city in the given text field. Type the state name into the appropriate input box. Fill in the 6-digit PIN code for the patient. Click on USG service to proceed with an ultrasound appointment. Select the appropriate USG service, such as pelvic or abdomen. Optionally, enter the referring doctor's name. Click on the Q drop-down again and select the doctor to assign the patient. Set the appointment date required for the procedure. Select the agent or referral information if applicable. Click on Save and Open Billing to move to the billing screen. After the appointment is booked, a token number will be generated for queue management. Enter the amount for the service if it's not pre-filled or you want to modify. You can add a discount here if you would like to offer one. Then enter either the advance payment details or the full payment amount, depending on the payment received. Click Create Invoice to finalize and generate the invoice. Click on Print to print out the invoice for the patient. Select Print Token to print a queue or appointment token. Click on WhatsApp to send invoice details directly to the patient. Click on Close to exit the invoice details window. Go to Diagnostics to manage or view Diagnostic Services. Click on USG Management to oversee ultrasound report workflows. Click Generate USG to start creating an ultrasound report. You can quick fill and select the templates to speed up reporting. Click on Fill All Normal for a standard normal results template. Here you can edit the report details. Enter your impression or summary of the USG report, or simply select the templates. Click Normal Study again to confirm findings if needed. Provide any follow-up or further investigation details as required. Click on Follow Up USG after 4 to 6 weeks if patient needs follow-up. Save your completed USG report by clicking Save. Your USG report is now ready. Click Update Report to apply any final changes to the report. A QR code is also generated here so that anyone can verify whether the report is genuine or not. Now, simply print or share this report with your patient.